Global sugar production and the complete sugarcane process in 2023. Global sugar production reached 183.5 million metric tons. Among them, Asia and Brazil held dominant positions in the market. Large-scale sugarcane cultivation plays a vital role in modern society, not only providing table sugar, but also used for ethanol production and bioenergy development. It supports the global food industry and serves as a renewable energy source to reduce dependency on fossil fuels in the fuel sector. Sugarcane planting and harvesting. Before planting sugarcane, the soil needs thorough preparation to optimize growth conditions. Tractors are used for plowing and leveling to improve soil structure, making it easier for roots to penetrate. Then, trenchers carve furrows into the soil, typically spaced 75 to 90 centimeters apart. Next, farmers or machines plant sugarcane sets. These sets take root and sprout in the soil, eventually growing into tall, dense cane fields. Once matured, the cane is harvested either mechanically or by manual labor. Harvesters use rotating blades to cut the cane at the base. After removing the leaves, the cane is chopped into segments, known as billets. Finally, trucks driving in parallel collect the billets. In some regions, burning is done prior to harvest, where the sugarcane fields are set on fire to remove excess leaves, increase harvesting efficiency, and reduce impurities during processing. However, due to environmental concerns, this practice has faced increased scrutiny in recent years. Cane crushing and sugar production. The harvested cane is transported to sugar mills, where it undergoes preliminary processing in two ways. In small-scale operations, cane is manually fed into a juice extractor, where rollers repeatedly crush it to extract as much juice as possible. In industrial-scale production, the cane is fed into shredders and broken into smaller pieces, then passed through heavy-duty roller mills for high-pressure crushing to extract the juice. During crushing, water is added to maximize juice yield. The extracted juice undergoes clarification, entering a clarifier tower for heating and filtering. Under high-speed rotation, heavier impurities are flung to the sides, while the lighter sugar juice collects in the center. The clarified juice is collected, while the sediment, known as filter mud, can be used as organic fertilizer. The juice is then boiled and concentrated into syrup. During this stage, workers use fine mesh screens to skim off impurities to prevent interference with crystallization. After cooling, the resulting raw sugar syrup contains molasses, which is stored in temperature-controlled warehouses to preserve quality. Sugar crystallization and refinement. In the sugar process, raw sugar is mixed with thick syrup, forming a sugar crystal mixture called masaquite, which is sent into a crystallizer to grow crystals by evaporating water. Then, the sugar crystals are separated in a high-speed centrifuge, which spins out the molasses, leaving only the crystallized sugar. The crystals are then washed with water and dried and cooled, producing refined white sugar. At the same time, Muscovado brown sugar is also packaged for market sale. The economic and environmental value of sugarcane. Sugarcane is cultivated on a large scale because it's a highly efficient sugar crop. Not only does it yield high sugar content, but it's also used for ethanol, biofuels, and byproducts like molasses. It has high productivity per unit area, thrives in tropical and subtropical climates, making it ideal for large-scale agriculture. In addition, sugarcane is a key raw material in food, beverages, bioenergy, and pharmaceuticals, with global demand continuing to rise. Its high economic value and diverse uses make it a vital component of global crop production.